The Baptisia Iron Storage Bag is a fun pattern that I designed to hold either a mini iron, a regular iron, or maybe you have one of each. And this is a great bag. It comes together quickly, and it's nice to have whether you're stowing your iron in your sewing room when it's not in use, or you're taking it with you to a sewing retreat or to a gathering with friends. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is size mini. It has a handle on either side. And I've got my mini iron on the inside. And let me show you what the size regular looks like. Again, it's got the same handle on either side. And this pattern uses 3 different interfacings: foam interfacing, Pellon shape flex, and there's also a small piece of Decoville heavy on the bottom for some added structure. And for this particular pattern, I decided to finish it with binding on the bottom. Again, because most irons weigh about 2 or 3 pounds, it's nice to have the added structure from the Decoville heavy as well as in the binding in the bottom. And also the handles are finished with either rivets or Chicago screws, which are really easy to install and give just a finished look to the project. The PDF pattern features full color step-by-step instructions, and the full-length instructional video is 1 hour and 41 minutes long.